It's winter, it's cold, and it's time for bare-rooted plants. So if you pop into your local nursery or garden centre, then you'll find fruit trees or rose bushes looking a little bit like this. They're dormant, naked of leaves, and believe it or not, ready for planting. Once you've purchased your bare-rooted fruit tree or rose, it's important to plant it ASAP. But the first step is to soak the roots of these plants in a bucket of diluted eco-seaweed. This stuff is 100% pure powdered seaweed, containing over 60 vital nutrients, including potassium for flowers and fruit. By soaking the plant in this solution, we can help reduce transplant shock and stimulate strong, healthy root and plant growth. And so while the plants are soaking, you can get on to digging and prepping the holes. Dig the hole for your tree or rose twice as wide as the root ball, but no deeper than where the original soil level would have been. So now we've got the hole ready, it's time to plant. Now these roots are beautiful and healthy, but there are some that are just a little bit too long. So you can just snip those off and it'll help encourage new lush roots that don't strangle these longer ones. So we'll snip those off. Now we're ready to plant. Just hold it in place as you backfill around the plant. And you need to make sure that this graft point is well above the soil level. Lightly firm down the soil. And if you live in a particularly windy or exposed site, you might like to add a stake for support, just until the plant sets new roots. And now, grab that soaking liquid and use it to water in your tree really well. To help newly planted bare-rooted plants establish really well in the ground, I love to also give them a fortnightly dose of eco-seaweed. Just pop a teaspoon of the powder into a 9-litre watering can and it dissolves instantly when water is added. And this 600-gram tub makes enough liquid seaweed to treat 6,000 square metres. So before long, the weather will warm up and your bare-rooted plants will spring to life.